Hey doggies and puppies out there, are you tired of your walks? You bored of marking the same tree too many times? Well, get off those doggy butts because I've got the perfect Dogilates routine for you, K90X. We're going to get you in shape so that you can fit through that doggy door and chase down that mailman. And all you need for this full body workout is a yoga mat, so bark if you're ready. Start off with one of my favorite moves. I want you to sit and stay. We're doing the look and twist to stretch out your neck. So look over your shoulder, hold, and look. Good. And look. Very nice. Give me a little bit of sass, a little bit of class, and done. Now we're moving on to your next exercise, the happy clam, to really tone up those hind legs. Lift it up and squeeze that little doggy booty. Come on, give me 3. Good. And 2. Just one more. And 1 hold. And down. Amazing. Now we're going to move into the oopsie extension. I want you to bring that knee into your abs and kick out with force. Now this move can be very helpful for when you leave that little mess behind, if you know what I mean. Give me 3 more. And 3. Good. 2. A little bit harder. Push. Bam. And we're in. Beautiful job. Now we're gonna lean back into the shimmy, point those paws up, and I'm gonna tone your abs. Here we go. Down and down. We're gonna get rid of that lower belly pooch because nobody wants that. Give me 3, 2, 1, and bring it up. Woo! My abs are sore. Now, sit up tall. We're gonna do the begging paw. So lift up the arm and lift. Up. Up. Add a little sass into there. Have fun with it. Give me 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Awesome job. Doesn't that feel good? Now you're ready to seize the day, wag those tails, catch those frisbees, and know that you're the most beautiful pet inside and out. I'm Cassey Ho. Join me next time for cat cardio where we won't be kidding around.